Imagine a workplace with no workplace protections, no accountability, and nowhere to go to speak up about mistreatment and seek help. A workplace with an enormous power disparity between you and your boss. A boss who has total control over your career. Oh, and you're not protected under any federal anti-discrimination laws, so if you're harassed, you can't sue. That is the federal judiciary right now. I'm Elisa Schatzman, president and founder of the Legal Accountability Project, or LAP. LAP leads the charge against sexual harassment and misconduct in the courts. I launched LAP in 2022 after I was harassed, unjustly fired, and retaliated against by the judge I clerked for. When I tried to hold him accountable, I discovered law clerks like me cannot sue because 30,000 people who work for the federal courts are exempt from Title VII of the Civil Rights Act and all federal anti-discrimination laws. So I launched LAP to correct injustices I experienced as a clerk, a lack of transparency and accountability in the courts. I force change in the most unaccountable area of our government. Let's talk about how I do this. LAP runs a nationwide clerkships database, basically Glassdoor for judges. Clerks review the judges they worked for as managers. Judges can't see it, ensuring honest reviews. And students pay a small annual fee to access a wealth of information and to avoid abusive judges. We've already served over 3,000 students and recent grads in just 18 months. LAP also fights for legislative solutions, including extending Title VII to the federal courts. Because while LAP's third-party solutions don't wait on anyone to make the change that's necessary, the best way to solve these problems is to change the laws. Before me, nobody talked about this problem, but now law clerks know where to go for support and resources. They know they're not alone, and they're empowered to seek justice. If you believe LAP's work is important, I hope you'll make a tax-deductible contribution today on Giving Tuesday. Help us solve a problem that otherwise would not be solved.